Free ethical hacking courses for beginners. In my previous video of everything you need to know about ethical hacking, I have explained about what is ethical hacking, what education you need and what are the scope of ethical hackers in India. But in today's video, I will share with you some free ethical hacking courses for beginners. So, to know about these courses, please watch this video till the end. Hello friends, once again welcome to the channel Jobs Connection. If you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please do subscribe it. First of all, let me tell you that the links of all the courses mentioned in this video are given in the description box. So you can click those links from description box and directly go to the courses to start your training. Now, let's see what are the courses. Number 1, Ethical Hacker. This course is available on Allison University. This course is one of the best courses available online for free. Through this course, you will look into administrative controls, technical controls, physical controls, as well as study confidentiality, integrity, availability of data, and other basics of ethical hacking. Now, what you get to learn in this course? You will learn in this course about reconnaissance protocols, Windows hacking, attacking web technologies, pen testing wireless networks, and everything about ethical hacking tools. The second course is Be a White Hat Hacker and Pen Tester by Advanix Learning Solutions. This course will provide conceptual framework to your security training. The course not only covers theoretical concepts but cover the practical demonstrations of various tools like Metasploit, Scapy, and etc. What you get to learn in this course? You will become a white hat hacker and get to learn all the practical techniques for penetration testing. You will also learn ethical hacking concepts, real world information gathering, scanning and vulnerability gathering, network attacking techniques, web exploitation techniques, wireless network security, and many more. Next course is Introduction to Ethical Hacking. This course is taught under the platform of Great Learning. This free introduction to ethical hacking course gives you an insight and its functions under top 3 domains in the industry today. This course gives you the scoop into what are the foundations, processes and outcomes from ethical hacking and common attacks that demand this skill to be acquired. What you get to learn in this course? You will learn all the process flow for ethical hacking. You will learn ethical hacking techniques. You will also learn BWAPP. Next course is Ethical Hacking for Beginners. This course is available on SkillUp under the platform of Simply Learn. This free ethical hacking course introduces you to the fundamental concepts every aspiring ethical hacker should know. This course is a great stepping stone on your journey to become a trusted cybersecurity professional. What you get to learn in this course? Ethical hackers are granted access to a network to identify vulnerabilities in the system. This course will introduce you to different types of ethical hackers and ethical hacking tools. You will also learn Linux and database skills, cryptography skills, mobile and web technology, and much more. There are a lot more ethical hacking free courses available under this program, such as Introduction to Cybersecurity, Introduction to Cybercrime, Introduction to Cloud Security, and much more. Next course is Ethical Hacking Basics by Udemy. This is one of the best course of ethical hacking for those who want to learn from basics. What you get to learn in this course? Through this course, you will get an introduction to attacking networks and breaking passwords. You will also get a clear understanding of what ethical hacking and penetration testing is. You will learn setting up of Linux. Next course is Free Ethical Hacker Training by Master of Project Academy. This online free ethical hacker training helps you learn ethical hacking basics and provide free ethical hacking study materials also. What you will learn in this course? You will learn about ethical hacking foundations. You will learn about security in today's world. You will learn security and business interrelationship and context of ethical hacker. So that was the end of this video. I hope you will like all the information given.